this video, I'm going to solve practice problems on rates. In the previous video on rates, I talked about the instantaneous rate, the average rate, and relative rates. There's not much to do about instantaneous rates because that's calculus based. So I will solve a problem on average rate. I will talk more about relative rates in future videos. So in this problem, we have the decomposition of NO2 into NO and oxygen. And of course we add the coefficients to balance the equation. Now the problem states that there's a drop in concentration for NO2. The brackets mean that it's a concentration, and NO2 drops from 0.01 to 0.005 in a time of 80 seconds. And the question is, what is the average rate of disappearance of the NO2? So average rate. So to visualize this better, it's good to draw what is going on. So the x-axis is going to be time, and the y-axis is going to be concentration. We started with a higher concentration, and it's starting going down within 80 seconds. So I'm going to say that this right here is the 0 second. I know it should be here, but it makes it look better. And then 80 seconds is going to be right here. Time is in seconds. Concentration is in molar. And now we have a concentration at the beginning of 0.01. Let's say it's this right here. And it drops to 0.005, which will say it's right here. So our drawing is going to be something like this. And as you may recall, for the definition of the average rate of a reaction, that can be found taking the slope in two different points. So we'll use these 2 points for that. This is going to be our slope. So our average rate is going to be equal to, like obtaining the slope, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. In this case, x is time and y is concentration. So y2 is going to be your concentration 2. That is the second concentration, which is 0.005 molar, minus the first concentration, which is 0.01. And then the same goes for time. Time 2 minus time 1. So it's going to be 80 seconds minus 0 seconds. And that is going to be equal to negative 6.25 times 10 to the negative 5 molar per second. And that is our average rate. Negative 6.25 times 10 to the negative 5 molar per second. So again, good advice is drawing what is going on, graphing it, and you will understand it better. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. And if you did, please be sure to give it a like and subscribe to see more videos like this one.